Sound rolling 3 action.
We have someone very special with us. Well, home is where heart is, mine is among stars. This is not what I say, but someone whom we all love, who is a heartthrob, and who has also taken Odisha to a whole new different level with his talent and of course with his charisma, who is none other than Harihar Das. So I'd like to welcome Harihar on my show. Thank you so much, Harihar, for being here. We waited pretty long. And thank you for finally making it. How does it feel?
Thank you for getting me here.
All right, a sweetheart as always. So Harihar, how has the lockdown been for you?
Pretty productive actually.
I see that on your stories, and your fans who actually follow you, I'm sure they know.
Yeah.
Tell us more about it.
Actually, I keep whining about like a lot of things. So when I work, I get crazy with it. So like and I start whining about like life is getting crazy. If I get a vacation or something, I would.
You're hyperactive, if I'm not wrong. You have to keep doing something or the other always, right?
Yes. I know, like I want to get up and dance now.
We'd love that. Who wouldn't love that?
Okay. So the thing is, so I keep whining about things that if I get a vacation, if if I get a break, I would go here, I would go there. So when I had this like long vacation, so I thought like instead of whining about like I should go to work, I thought like let's spend this time properly.
Okay.
Do something like which I haven't done. I always wanted to do. So I picked a couple of things like staff spinning. I started like I got back to my Rubik's cube like solving puzzles
right. Your
and
favorite
everything.
thing to do.
Yeah, and I started like playing an instrument also.
Which is
keyboard, normal one.
Okay.
But still.
Not very normal. It's a tough thing to do. मुझसे नहीं हो पाया एक भी chord, so I get it.
So the thing is, and being a dancer, I always wanted to like learn an instrument because that would help me get better in musicality.
Of course.
So
what apart from keyboard do you play? I'm sorry, I had to ask this.
You mean like musical instruments or what else?
Whatever. Your favorite thing to play with or play?
A lot of things actually. A lot of things. Except the victim card, I guess. I play a lot of things.
Victim card, yeah, quite often it is used. All right, so Harihar, आपको लोग काफी अलग-अलग तरीके से जानते हैं. So few people I have met, they tell me that you are arrogant. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा subtle है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा down to earth है. Talented is something I come across. मतलब हर कोई बोलता ही रहता है. So what is that one personality trait of yours?
Thank God, like people, everyone agrees with that.
No, they have to. They don't have a choice. Come on, Harihar Das it is. But my question for you is, which is that one personality trait which makes sure that you land up in trouble always?
Actually, I don't think I land up in trouble.
Okay.
But yes, there is one thing that I'm pretty straightforward. Like I do not have. I don't have like gray area. If I think like something is good, then I just totally go with it. Like it's good. It's pretty good. And if something is bad, then I say like this is bad.
Okay. So
I do not know how to sugarcoat things.
Okay. That's pretty rare these days. All we find is sugarcoating, and it has landed you up in trouble at times. Trouble as in difficult situations or where people.
Yeah, not trouble, but a lot of people. I mean, I do not have much friends because of that, but I have like some quality friends because of that.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
I hope you count me in.
Yeah.
All right. So, if one fine morning you wake up stripped of all your stardom,
okay,
what would be the first thing you'd do?
Like.
No,
I don't know. That would be like amazing actually.
Amazing.
Yes.
How?
Because I can start from zero, all over again. And not do the same mistakes that I did.
Okay, a chance to actually start from the scratch. But a lot of people I know would probably hesitate to start from zero and
no.
Itna mehnat. Like, are you ready for all it takes to get there?
Yes, of course. The thing is, I sometimes wonder. It's not wonder. I'll say like I go back, I travel back in the time, and I think like how special were those days when I was not a star. I do not consider myself as a star. I'm some person who loves dancing, who loves to do like different stuffs. That's it. And I would wake up someday, like, and get a chance to start from zero. That would be amazing, I guess.
All right, noted. We'd want this to happen someday so that we see how
Oh,
different Harihar
if
Das
I
should
wish,
be.
like, if everyone can forget me, that would be amazing.
Should we try?
Yeah,
Right?
sure. Please
All
do
right,
something.
message conveyed loud and clear. All right, moving on to the next one. Your take on millennial language. So I'm sure you're not a 90s kid.
I'm a 90s kid.
You are?
Yep.
All right. So still, what's your take on millennial language? And you have to mention few of your favorite ones.
No.
Oh yes.
No.
Yes.
I mean, like, I'm not in for of like support of like millennial language.
I knew that.
I am like.
To begin with, is bad English a turn off for you?
Totally yes. Totally yes. The thing is, see, so people writing like I and just M for that, I am, and I and just
M.
letter M.
Yeah.
hate it.
I remember.
And सबसे ज़्यादा तो like that how is you? Why?
How's you? Yeah, right.
How's you? Why? How's you?
How are you is
How are you?
something
Yes.
we've always been taught. So I remember this texting language, you know, like
Yes.
once I think मेरे masters में I ended up writing SKUL instead of SCHOOL.
That happened to me also.
It happens, right? That's ever since I dropped the texting language. नहीं,
Same
अभी
thing
पूरा
happened.
पूरा लिखेंगे वरना लिखेंगे नहीं.
लिखेंगे नहीं, that's it,
Like,
that's it.
What are your favorite millennial languages? That, as in words that you
No favorites.
no favorites because you don't like
I
it.
don't
or-
like it. I don't
All
like
right,
it.
I get it. Fair point. So, Harihar, tell me something. How often do you swear? Gali,
Okay.
how often? Just with friends or kabhi kabhi when you
No,
lose it in
just-
public you...
Just with friends. Or if I travel to my native place.
Oh yes, you are from Barampur, aren't you?
Yep.
Okay.
So that's what we say. Bhasha is Sanskrit Mula Karana. So,
Ko bhasa, that matters. Okay, your favorite thing, mane Barampuri, words or phrase that you use often. Mine is mundatina. That's what I love.
oh, I use that.
You
Munda
use
tina gala, yes.
mundatina hai gala.
Munda tina
What
gala.
apart from that you love?
Mundo tina gala. I do not know. I just use them like Mundo tina gala and anta.
Anta what?
Anta. Like
What
we
does
say
that mean?
like bahut hard. Like anta.
Acha. Okay. So, all right. So the next question is, you shoot for ridiculous long hours. I've seen you working for, for long hours constantly. How do you cope up with the whole surrounding? Like, what if your environment isn't equipped with the people you like? How do you cope up? How do you keep your sane, basically?
It's like I just take a view inside.
Okay.
I start like totally detaching from everything else.
Set में रह के कैसे कर सकते हो?
हाँ,
When
set
you
में-
have people around.
See what happens like when I'm not when the camera is not rolling, I keep like moving around the set, like down the set. Like I go to like the spot guys. I go to this camera people. I start
And
like
do
talking about projects, random stuffs. Like what happens with this camera. What are these equipments? What are the new stuffs in the market? That's what I talk.
January Itcha for you is incessant. I know that. So one thing about Harihar that I have always noticed is gotte jagare bosse ki ruhantini se and gotte jinsare basis samay rahi pandi. He keeps like moving to different things and learning is an aspect which
Because
never
why
ends.
Because I think life is short
Of
and I
course.
want to learn everything that I can.
That's exactly why you want to start fresh, isn't it?
Yep.
All right. So the next question. Harihar has always been a chic magnet. Like has had immense fan following. Where did we travel together for a show? Was that Jaipur?
Jaipur, is it?
Yeah, it was some college in Jaipur.
Yes.
And I remember you being mobbed by your female fan following. How do you deal with it? How does it make you feel to begin with? You don't have to be modest.
No,
you can.
I'm not modest. It's like being a public figure. I guess like it's just not me. Everyone has like fans. Like you also have fans, right?
No, that's
Lot
okay.
of
But
guy
your
fans.
female fans are of a different level.
Of the
I've
charts.
seen it, been there.
Off the charts, right? No, sir. Semdia Gichino. what am I supposed to say?
No.
How do I deal with them or what?
What is the craziest thing that a female fan has done for you? Craziest, not the sweetest.
Okay, there was this some random girl, and she kept like texted me on Facebook and said like, you'll have to marry me or I'll just like
Marry
I'll
me.
jump,
already.
marry me or else I'll jump off the roof.
Did she?
No, I
You
just
said a yes.
I said like go ahead. What to
फिर क्या
do?
हुआ?
Then she stopped messaging me. That's it.
Okay, as simple as that. Acha, has anyone actually got to your parents ever? Like any of your fans or someone who, you know, like who's crazy for
Nah,
you directly?
No.
वो नहीं हुआ ना? Okay, I'd love to
Anyone.
know your parents' reaction to that. All right, so the next question. Have you managed to find the love of your life yet?
Yes.
Oh, you have?
Yeah.
कितनों का
Yep,
दिल
yep.
तोड़ा तुमने हरिहर?
अरे तोड़ने का क्या है?
See, you'll stop getting texts like that.
It's okay. That would be amazing if again.
All right, okay. So, do you actually hate people or you grow a certain type of distaste towards them when you see that they're not very your type or something?
I just get detached from them.
Right.
Yeah, I do not believe in their existence anymore.
Okay. So, what is the most outrageous thing, the most annoying thing any one of that genre has done to you?
Not me, but see, I hate fake people. People like, you know, who pretend to be something or someone else, and they
Just
are
the way you hate sugarcoating things. isn't
yeah,
it?
yep. So that is the most annoying thing, when people lie, people just talk crap. That is the thing that annoys me the most, and I think that is what actually turns me off totally. And
You
then
have
that
come
pushes-
across a lot of people like that in the industry, I'm
Oh,
sure.
lot of.
How do
Actually,
you deal with
almost everyone is like that.
Yeah, pretty much. But okay, I have a question related to that later, which will come later.
Okay, bring it on.
So if at all you're ever lost, कहीं हम सुबह उठते हैं and Harihar Das goes missing, where do we find you? Your getaway place.
Okay. I don't know, yeah.
उसके लिए गायब होना पड़ेगा क्या?
गायब नहीं, but I don't know. I love my room very much because it's
Oh, no.
surrounded by.
Don't tell me lockdown में तुम निकले नहीं वहाँ से.
I was like totally in my room for 2 months in the lockdown.
2 freaking months.
Yes, 2 months.
I think
First
for
2
me,
months I
2
was
months में पूरा 2 months मेरा terrace पे गया था. I couldn't just come back to my room. That's how.
2 months, and I was intaking everything.
What happened after that? I want to know that.
I started getting mad. Then I thought like, you know, there is I need some human connection, so I went outside.
Okay, all right. So you like doing crazy things, or you like being the sane Harihar Das always?
Define crazy.
Crazy. Something which people think it is crazy. Like something.
Pretty
which
much
is-
everything that I do, people think that it's crazy.
We'd like some examples.
Like I told you, like I was training with like staff
Yeah,
spinning,
the
right?
staff spinning, right?
Staff spinning. So like people think it's crazy because people think like I do not have.
No, I find
do
it hot. Why would anyone find it crazy?
I mean, like people think like I do not have the requirement of that. So like why would he go and like do staff
नहीं,
spinning?
हर वो चीज जो हम करते हैं उसकी जरूरत थोड़ी होती
See,
है.
you
Like
do not see that as crazy, but a lot of people do.
Yeah. So what is the craziest thing that you have actually done in life, which you consider crazy? Something that, you know, gave you a good kick. That rush that we always look for.
I don't know, pretty much everything I do. See, I think if I think if I like doing something, I just do it. I
You
don't
just
wait
do
for
it, right?
Yeah, I do it. I do it.
Fantastic. So do you regret your decisions?
No, never.
You don't?
Never.
All right. But if still given a chance, you'd like to go back and start from scratch and not do certain things the way you have done.
So because why, you know, because it gives me a second chance again at the things. So I always think if I started like dancing earlier, maybe I would have learned more. So that's why I want to
Okay.
go back into time and
Okay.
maximize my, like optimize my time, learn more even.
Of course. So, Hariher, of all the countries that you have traveled to, which one has been your most favorite place to travel to and why?
Prague. Prague for sure.
Prague.
Yeah.
Prague. What was so special about it?
Because Prague is the only place in Europe which is untouched by the after effects of this World War. So, it's really beautiful, and I was there for this Airtel shoot, and
yeah, right. Of course.
Right.
That was quite a milestone. You know?
Yeah,
like
yeah. Because I was
did make us all proud.
Yeah, I was the only one actually, only Indian, apart from A.R. Rahman sir, to be in that project.
We are so proud of you. Of course.
I think I'm the only Odia who have worked with his music directly.
Right,
he created music for me.
That was very catchy, I don't remember what I was studying then, but every time I didn't even know who Hariher Das was then. Trust me. That is when I first, got to know who you are, and then the basic research, and I'm like, dude, this guy's a star. No,
I didn't know A.R. Rahman sir was going to compose the music. And
it's so catchy.
The thing is, there was no music actually. He composed it later. He saw my video and he composed it.
My God, he's a genius for a reason.
He is,
isn't it?
Of course. I just did it. They took they took my moves. We shot for 4 days straight, and I started I asked director, what are we doing here? I do not understand what you guys are doing. So he said we'll take every possible shots and we'll have to send it to the team, and they are going to edit it properly, frame it and everything. Then Mr. A.R. Rahman is going to compose. I said, what? He's doing the music?
Oh, okay. Quite a shocker.
Yeah.
All right. So, okay. Who do you idolize in the industry, or who do you like the most? Idolize wouldn't be the right word. Who do you like and appreciate the most?
What industry?
The industry you are in? Hollywood?
Oh, okay. Because I have the multiple industries.
Right,
I mean, dance industry also. Hollywood, I do not know. Yeah, this is a very
tricky question. I know.
Tough question.
Tough one. Okay.
Yeah, because there are a lot of people I like, but
that one name that comes to your mind.
That is the problem. I'm not getting any names.
You aren't?
No,
I'm
not
surprised.
right now.
2 then? 3? 4?
No names actually. I
no
don't
names.
Know. I don't know. I'm just going blank right now.
I consider that an ouch.
No, not ouch. Just right now, I do not know. I just went blank.
All right, that's okay. Going black at times is fine. Segment को मैं आज जाएँ which is Oberoi Bakers and Cafe presents Ceasefire. So, A3, I'll be asking you random questions, back-to-back questions mu pacharive Hariharan ko, and until I say ceasefire, and he has to answer all the questions.
Okay.
Yes, and you cannot back out on any. And I'm not going to take don't know for an answer. So, question answer the padiyo. Hariher has this thing of going blank.
Yeah.
So, alright, so I have this amazing hamper by Oberoi Bakers and Cafe.
This is some motivation.
No, not yet.
No? Okay.
We have time for this. Okay, ready?
Okay.
All right.
Eyes on the prize. Okay.
Eyes on the prize. So the first question. One Hollywood star जहाँ को साथ अपना link है इतने rumor भी है परिवार.
Link में what kind of
link? As in a romantic link up.
अच्छा. So Anubha. Yeah, because first film thila. So fans, first film thila, and simple link up. Lot of rumors about
Okay. Kebolo Anubha, or there were other names as well?
Nahi, tapore first katha hala I do not have enough movies. Second katha hala ଆଉ ବାକି जो movies गुड़ा भी अच्छी से गुड़ा माने we didn't have that much of romance going on. So
अच्छा, no anticipation done. Cool. Okay, the worst controversy you have ever been in? Sabbutu basic controversial matter that you have been pulled into?
Never. I didn't have a controversy.
Easy going pillada amaro kichhi asudha nahi. All right, the next question. Your forever crush?
Crush. It keeps changing, yeah.
Keeps changing. The current crush then?
Ebe to simda kehi nahandi.
Ebe kehi nahandi?
Nahi, simda ki
last crush that you remember, last ke manoj?
Actor, celebrity crush mane I always admired Madhuri Dixit and Emilia. because her grace and everything.
एमती I get it एमती
But
अच्छा
how can she crush them?
मने पड़ना माधुरी दीक्षित पर okay मने पड़ना the cool. All right, so the next one, your inspiration.
Inspiration for what?
Dance, of course.
MJ, Michael Jackson.
All right, timeless. Your guilty pleasure, something that you do, I instantly regret because, but still you keep doing it.
I don't know.
I said I don't know is not an answer I'm going to take. Mane pakao bhal se.
I don't regret much, but যদি কয়া গলে if I can't keep my like commitments মানে কোন हुए I plan a lot and but more mood swings both in the way. So sometimes what happens कि से particular moment जो plan करी थी भी and से particular moment पहुँचला परे मते आउ किसी करने पे इच्छा हुए.
And other battery से इटा कुछ छाड़ी के
I switch.
See, I told you he doesn't stay at one place. All right. So do you sleep at night? रात्रि निदो हुए or you sleep early in the morning? How is it?
सिमिते किसी नहीं. I have got different phases.
Okay.
So good time the phase maybe 10-12 days के 2 weeks रहे चले. So I do not sleep at all. I sleep in the morning. आओ कितने बड़े
So सोयो को same thing हुए रात्रि सोयो गलाल को you feel like doing something else and तापरे
Oh entirely. मैंने almost every day this happens. And say time रही मुझे एक था है. So the ideas keep coming to my brain. And सित्ते बड़े मते करने पे बहुत इच्छा हुए. So and that सित्ते पे मुझे सोई पर नहीं भले से रात्रि.
अच्छा कौन करियो की इच्छा हुए?
Anything. Sometimes I wake up in like middle of night. I start dancing. Like start making new concept building in there kori diye. Sometimes same there I just craving हुए book पढ़िया पे किच्छ भी.
Speaking of craving, that's my next question. Constant midnight craving कौन?
Constant तो same it keeps changing. I said
again.
I can watch like a movie, sometimes a movie, sometimes like a book to read, sometimes like play an instrument.
Achha.
Anything that can be anything.
Favorite food?
Desi food always.
Desi re कौन?
Desi food. Spicy, anything spicy.
All right.
Berhampur taste buds.
मुझे just कही था दिए. I'm a big fan of Berhampur snacks and food though. So you have to name few things जोड़ा कि हमें सब बड़े will find with you. Something that you don't step out of your house without. 5, name 5 at least.
5.
5 too much? जितने भी you can say.
Cell phone is like the.
It's a mandate, right? What else?
Cell phone is a mandate. आओ किसी ने समझे?
You are a shades person, aren't you?
Yeah, shades. It depends.
Clothes, you forgot to say clothes.
That is also a mandate, right? Without that, can we move around? No.
Okay, right. So, who is the fakest personality you have ever come across?
Oh, there are lots.
One you can name.
Fakest, there are lots, yeah.
Lot of them. I don't mind taking multiple names.
Like half the industry is fake actually.
Quite a revelation. All right.
Half the industry is fake.
Okay, half the industry is fake. One actor in Hollywood you consider a cutthroat competition. So you have been doing a lot Hollywood. Yeah.
Cutthroat competition in what? Like I consider I am not a good actor. So everyone is better than me. I do not have a competition with anyone. Dance I am better than everyone else. So they do not have competition with me.
That is pretty clear though. All right. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate yourself on sex appeal? You 8 modest parivani. You'll have to say.
Maybe 6.5, 7.
6.5, 7?
Yeah.
See, you still are modest at rating yourself. You should ask me sometimes.
Oh, okay, I'll ask.
Or your female fans maybe. Better answer they will say.
6.5, 7. I do not know, but when I post a picture.
When the episode is actually aired, I'd like to ask this question to the audience. How much would you guys rate Harihar 1 to 10 scale on sex appeal? Let's see what we get. Alright, so the next, I have 4 questions. And it is, which amongst this is harder to give up? जो दीटा options मु तुमको देबी ता भितरु कोटा easy give up करिया पे छाड़ी दबा कोटा easy. Coffee or alcohol? Are you a coffee person?
Yeah.
So
I mean कोटर भी addiction नहीं समझा, so I do not know. I can give everything like easily.
You can give away both.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, nice. So, कोटा give up करिबा easy हबो for you, dancing or making love?
Dancing I cannot live. Yeah.
So you can live without making love.
Oh yes. किसी भी, but dancing तो है ही परिवार
Of course. So
not possible.
मैं actually making love तो भूल option से तो I asked you, I guess.
that can't happen. Because aguru mu dance karuthili like when I didn't even started making up so, and settally survive karuthili so dancing to habani.
All right, so sleeping or games on phone? Do you play games on phone?
I used to be hardcore like a gamer. But phone I do not like. I need a big screen. I've got a PS3.
Oh great.
Yeah,
So PS3 it is then. So have you
but
ever
not
given up
over like
sleeping give up karicha ke pe PS3 पे?
Yes, lot of times.
So what can you actually give up, sleeping or PS3?
Sleeping or PS3? What I cannot give up sleeping.
Like not forever, like
okay.
Good
I would give up sleeping.
All right. Okay, so the last one.
If the game is interesting.
Okay, if you play, it has to be interesting.
Yep.
So the last one, which is easy to give up, vacation or Netflix and chill? Do you are you a Netflix and chill person?
Yes.
You are.
Yes.
So which one would you like to give up, vacation or Netflix and chill?
Can't give up anything. I would go on a vacation and watch Netflix and chill.
You can't do that. You have to pick one. जी घरे रह के
lockdown I would give up Netflix.
You'll give up Netflix?
Yeah, I'll go out. I'll go out.
घरे रह के for 2 months he calls it a vacation, so you
no, but like, I'll give up Netflix.
Okay.
Because there are other OTT platforms. See, so it's easy because I would.
Okay, all of them are forbidden now.
Acha, same there. Still, I would give up everything.
You'll give up everything for a vacation, right?
Okay.
So काफी सारा आंसर्स थिला, इंटरेस्टिंग भी थिला, काफी आंसर्स मते एक्सट्रैक्ट करे पढ़ला because Harier is a different kind of person altogether, but still I'll be considerate enough, okay. But still I'll be considerate enough, and this is for you with a heavy heart. Didn't want to give this away.
Okay.
All right, this is yours, Harier. No, all yours.
I was just faking.
So, I know, right?
Yeah.
All right. So, thank you, Harier, for being here on the show.
Thank you.
And which is Ouch Couch with Lipsa. So, I hope you had a great time. If not a great time, I'll make it up later.
Thank you
As
so
you like
much.
saying. So, thank you so much, guys. बहुत busy मजा आसला जी हरियन का सहित कथा है कि, and I'm sure अपन गुटे तंकर अलगा side ही आज explore करी थी. So, we'd like to sign off, and this is me, Lipsa, again. From Ouch Couch with Lipsa, presented by Desi Muffin Productions in association with Oberoi Bakers and Cafe. Thank you.